If you shoot a bullet at a riot shield, you might think it would block the projectile, but that's not actually the case. Most riot shields are made of a lightweight plastic, designed to protect against thrown objects like rocks and bottles, not bullets. When a bullet strikes a standard riot shield, it can easily penetrate or shatter the shield, putting the person
I rock that pebble, jump through your sheet, you hear this beat, coming like heavy metal. If you got a business, bro, please set it in stone like rock. I came with a brand new board, that man have guys all